Hello everyone and welcome to this review of what Gusto is and how it works. The landscape of small business management has shifted dramatically over the last decade. Gone are the days when running payroll meant spending a whole Sunday night hunched over a calculator and a stack of paper checks. The modern entrepreneur needs a system that is not only fast but also hyper compliant and remote friendly. And this brings us to Gusto. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your back office operations, you have likely heard the name. But what exactly is Gusto and how does it function in a real-world business setting? In this guide, we'll break down every moving part of Gusto ecosystem, from its automated tax engine to its global contractor tools. Also, if you want to try Gusto Payroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and get a $100 gift card sent to you once you run your first payroll. So, what is Gusto Payroll? At its core, Gusto is a cloud-based people operations platform. While it started as a simple payroll provider, formerly known as Send Payroll, it has evolved into an all-in-one HR suite designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses. Unlike legacy providers like ADP or Paychex, which often feels like they were built for enterprise-level accounting departments, Gusto was designed for the non-expert. Its primary mission is to take the three most complex parts of being an employer: payroll, benefits, and HR compliance, and then wrap them up into a single, intuitive interface that a founder can master in minutes. Gusto operates on the idea that payroll isn't just a transaction, it's the foundation of the relationship between an employer and an employee. This means that the platform doesn't just move money, it manages the entire life cycle of an employee, from the moment an offer letter is signed to the day they receive their final tax form after leaving the company. How does Gusto work? The step-by-step workflow. Understanding how Gusto works requires looking at the full-service model it pioneered. Here is a typical workflow for a business owner using the platform. First, the initial setup and data migration. When you first sign up for Gusto, the system guides you through a setup wizard. You enter your company's basic information, federal and state tax IDs, and bank details. Then you have self-service migration. If you're switching from another provider mid-year, Gusto has automated tools to pull your historical data so that your year-end tax forms like W-2s remain accurate. Then you have employee onboarding. Instead of you typing in every social security number, you simply send an email invite to your team. The employees log in and enter their own bank info, addresses, and tax withholdings. This self-onboarding significantly reduces data entry errors. Running a payroll cycle. Once your team is set up, running payroll is a 3-click process. You have the review hours. If you have hourly employees, their hours synchronize automatically from the built-in Gusto time tracker or an integration like T-Sheets. Then you get to add extras. Here you can quickly add bonuses, commissions, or reimbursements with a single toggle. And then submit. Click the submit payroll once you're done. The behind the scenes automation. Now this is where the magic happens. Once you hit submit, Gusto takes over. The draw. Gusto pulls the total payroll amount, net pay plus taxes, from your business account. For the distribution, it sends the direct deposits to your employees' accounts. When it comes to the tax filing, Gusto sets aside the tax portions and files them with the IRS and relevant state agencies on your behalf. You never have to write a check to the government. Gusto does it for you. To understand the value of Gusto, you have to look at the specialized features that set it apart. Full-service tax filing. Gusto is a full-service provider. This means that they take on the liability of filing your taxes. They handle federal, state, and local taxes across all 50 states. In recent times, they introduced the automated local tax registration, which helps businesses identify and register for obscure local taxes that often catch remote-first companies off guard. The autopilot feature. For businesses with a stable salaried workforce, Gusto offers autopilot. You can set your payroll to run on a specific day every month without you even logging in. If there are no changes to the pay rate, the system executes the run, pays the taxes, and sends the slips while you sleep. Integrated benefits administration. One of the most complex parts of scaling is offering health insurance. Gusto acts as a licensed broker, meaning you can browse plans from top carriers directly in the dashboard. Once you pick a plan, the deductions are automatically synced. When an employee joins or leaves, the insurance status is updated in real time, preventing you from overpaying on premiums. The employee experience is centered around the Gusto wallet. This app allows workers to view and download pay stubs and tax forms, access Gusto Cash Out, which provides early access to earned wages in case of an emergency, and set up saving goals, where a portion of their check is automatically diverted to a high-yield savings account managed by Gusto's banking partners. One of the biggest updates to how Gusto works this year is its expanded global reach. Small businesses are no longer limited to hiring in their own backyard. Gusto now supports payments to contractors in over 120 countries. So how does this work? You simply add the contractor as you would a local employee. Choose their country and Gusto handles the currency conversion and the collection of the required tax forms. Same-day global payouts. Brand new is the integration with Wise and USDC stablecoin. If you have a contractor with a volatile local currency, you can now pay them in USDC stablecoins. This ensures they receive the exact value of their work instantly, without losing money to high exchange fees or multi-day bank delays. Also, if you want to try Gusto Payroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and get a $100 gift card sent to you once you run your first payroll. Now, as with any service, there are the pros and the cons. So starting with the pros, you have unrivaled ease of use. You see, you don't need a background in HR or accounting to use Gusto. The interface is easy to follow. Then you have the compliance peace of mind. Gusto's no penalty guarantee means that if they make the mistake on your tax filings, they will pay the resulting IRS fines. Deep integrations. Gusto connects with over 150 tools, including QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, and Slack. Your payroll data flows directly into your accounting software, thus making the tax season a breeze. Then you have the lifetime employee portal. Even after an employee leaves your company, they maintain access to their Gusto portal to download past tax forms, saving you from "I lost my W-2" emails years later. And now to the downside, the cons. You have the cost of growing teams. The per employee fee on the Plus and Premium plans can become expensive if you have a large team. Support bottlenecks. While the support is generally excellent, lower tier users may experience longer wait times during the busy year-end period. And then you have the no same-day pay on basic plans. To get next day or same-day direct deposit, you typically have to be on higher priced tiers. So, who is Gusto not for? Despite its popularity, Gusto isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. So here are some examples. Large enterprises with over 500 employees. If you have a massive corporation with thousands of employees and highly complex union requirements, you will likely find Gusto's reporting and customization to be too basic. And then you have complex global hiring. If you need to hire full-time employees, not just contractors in dozens of countries, a dedicated global hiring complex like Deal or Rippling might be more efficient, though more expensive. And lastly, ultra-low budget operations. If you're on a tiny nonprofit or micro business looking for the absolute cheapest way to pay one person, a bare-bones tool like the Patriot software might save you $20 per month, though you will lose the automation features. After examining every aspect of Gusto and how it works, the verdict is clear. It remains the gold standard for American small businesses. Its ability to turn a 4-hour administrative nightmare into a 10-minute task is its greatest value. At the end of the day, Gusto works by taking the manual out of management. It leverages the power of modern cloud computing and AI to handle the stress of tax forms and bank transfers, freeing you up to do exactly what you started your business to do. Don't forget, we have the link to Gusto Payroll, and if you run your first payroll, you get $100 worth of gift card. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.